The first point you said cricket has more popularity than other games, right? Which is very true, but compared to 4 years ago, only cricket was in India. But now you can see other sports. Everybody is liking badminton, kabaddi league, soccer league. So India is accepting other sports. So, and American football is a new sport. It's the most popular sport in US. So we don't see a reason why India will not accept it, because India like action sports. And American football gives most action. So for the last 2 years, we're already playing, and we have already played a lot of games here. And every game we see like tremendous response from people. Hey, when are you playing the next game? We want to go see, play that. So we already have a good feedback on these. So that's why we think like, okay, let's increase the federation, basically federation status, and give opportunities to other athletes in an official way. So now they can represent their state. They can say like, okay, I'm an American football player, state champion. Now they can say I'm an Indian player and I'm an Indian champion. Adi Pudaka till now wasn't there, but now we're creating that thing. So just because we feel India will accept this game, and it has already accepted this game. So we feel like there's tremendous future for this game in India. Ante ippudu, for example, this American football team, it's not an individual sport, it's a team sport. So for example, you have a team in Hyderabad, which we have, another city. So almost 40 to 50 players will get an opportunity to play. And that itself, you're giving opportunity to 40 different youngsters and for them motivation hey, they can get a job, they can get to the next level, they can get a scholarship. We will offer scholarships, and they can play for India, they can get some remuneration, and they can have a career out of it. Before only passion course, but now there's a body, like American Football Federation body now we will take care of you. So that's why we're coming forward. We're going to do all these championships, district, state championships, national championships. That's our next target, 6 months. And the 6 months throughout, then once we pick the Indian teams, then we'll be looking into Asian championships and international tournaments. And so the main office, Mumbai Federation, and we also have an office here in Mada, and we have a team here. Team undi ikkada and academy undi, but with the help of the state government we're going to do another academy in Gachibowli Stadium. Already ochindandi manki, so they already promised they'll give us full support. Yeah, so